In this video, I will be showing you how to put someone in the Instagram to the quiet or restricted mode and how to remove someone from quiet and on quiet mode or restricted mode. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put someone on the restricted mode and then unrestrict them from the quiet mode. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And if you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So open up your Instagram application, go to a profile that you want to actually put on the quiet mode. So for example, I'm gonna put this profile on a quiet mode. So visit the profile or simply go ahead and click on the profile in order to mute it. So for example, I'm on the story here on my paint page. Just hold on the profile that you want to mute and click on mute. So it will say mute stories and posts. That way it will be muted. So now the profile has been muted. So how to unmute it? Simply go and swipe to the right side till the end and you will see a profile in a dull color right at the end, and this is a profile that you have muted. So simply go ahead and click on it, and that way you will be able to unmute the profile. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.